Welcome to Employment and Education News. Security Officer, Assistant Engineer, PA2 Director, Section Officer, Assistant Sorter post vacancy in Ghani Khan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering and Technology. Eligibility 12th, Bachelor degree, Master degree, Bachelor degree in Engineering. Age limit 35 years for Security Officer and Assistant Engineer, 30 years for PA2 Director, Section Officer, Assistant and Sorter. Last date for application 30 September 2021. Salary as per pay level 2, 6, 8 and 9. 5 Assistant Professor post vacancy in National Institute of Technology, Nagaland. Eligibility PhD. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 26 October 2021. Application fees demand draft of 1,500 for SC and ST candidates. Salary as per pay level 12. 53 Artisan Trainee post vacancy in NTPC Moda Super Thermal Power Station. Eligibility ITI, Fitter, Electrician, Instrument Mechanics, Electronics. Age limit maximum 42 years. Last date for application 21 September 2021. Salary starting basic pay of 21,500. 16 Junior Research Fellow and Research Associate post vacancy in Indian Space Research Organization. Eligibility MSc, ME or MTech or PhD. Age limit maximum 28 years for Junior Research Fellow and 35 years for Research Associate. Last date for application 1 October 2021. Salary 31,000 for JRF and 47,000 for Research Associate. Assam Rifles Technical and Tradesman post vacancy in Office of the Director General, Assam Rifles, Shillong. Eligibility 10th, 12th, Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Pharmacy, Diploma in Radiology. Age limit between 18 to 23 years. Apply date 11 September 2021 to 25 October 2021. Application fees 200 for Group B and 100 for Group C post. 262 Trade Apprentice, Graduate Apprentice, Technician Apprentice, HR Trainee post vacancy in Garden Rich Shipbuilder and Engineer Limited. Eligibility 10th, ITI, Diploma in Engineering, Degree in Engineering, MBA. Age limit 25 years for Trade Apprentice ex ITI, 20 years for Trade Apprentice Fresher, 26 years for Graduate Apprentice, Technician Apprentice and HR Trainee. Last date for application 1 October 2021. 3 cook, 1 barber, 2 equipment boot repairer, 3 washerman, 1 tailor post vacancy in 2 Army HQ Signal Regiment, Meerut, Kent. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Age on 5 October. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 5 October. Salary as per pay level 1 and 2. 16 Driver cum Pump Operator cum Fireman and 4 Sub-Officer post vacancy in Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Eligibility 12th Science with Chemistry. Age limit between 18 to 27 years for Driver cum Pump Operator cum Fireman and 18 to 40 years for Sub-Officer. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 15 October. Salary as per pay level 3 and 6. 40 Assistant Professor post vacancy in Sant Langwal Institute of Engineering and Technology. Eligibility BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MS, MBA or PhD. Apply date 13 September 2021 to 22 October 2021. Salary as per pay level 10. 173 Senior Medical Officer, Senior Accountant, Assistant Rajbhasha Officer, Junior Engineer post vacancy in NHPC Limited. Eligibility Diploma in Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering. Master degree in Hindi with English, MBBS, CA, CMA. Age limit maximum 33 years for Senior Medical Officer, 35 years for Assistant Rajbhasha Officer, 30 years for Junior Engineer and Senior Accountant. Last date for application 30 September 2021. IIT Hyderabad vacancy for 24 Executive Engineer, Junior Medical Officer, Senior Technical Superintendent, Junior Engineer, Junior Psychological Counselor, Junior Technician. Eligibility ITI, BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MBBS, Master degree in Psychology. Last date for application 11 October 2021. Age limit 45 years for Executive Engineer, Junior Medical Officer, Senior Technical Superintendent, Junior Engineer, Junior Technician. 40 years for Junior Psychological Counselor, Technical Superintendent. 30 years for Multi-Skill Assistant. Salary as per pay level 1, 3, 6, 8, 10 and 11. Thanks for watching till the end.